Do you know how to change the oil in a truck? My name is Vitor and I'm going to show you how to. Maintaining your truck's engine through regular oil changes is crucial for its efficiency and longevity. Ensure your truck is securely parked with the engine turned off. You will need to lift the truck or to use a service pit in order to have access to the oil drain plug. Wearing protective gloves and eyewear is a must to avoid any potential hazards. Locate the oil drain plug at the bottom of the engine. Position a suitable oil drain container below it. Remember, the engine oil might be hot, so proceed with caution. Carefully unscrew the drain plug, allowing the old oil to completely drain out into the container. This might take a few minutes. Ensure all the used oil is collected responsibly for proper disposal. Some users might be concerned about the color of the old oil. It is completely normal for used oil to have a very dark color. This does not mean there is something wrong with the engine or any other part of the truck. With the drain plug securely tightened, it's time to add fresh engine oil. Consult your truck's manual or lubricant advisor app for the correct oil type and quantity. Use a funnel to avoid spills as you pour the new oil into the engine. Now, start the engine, letting it run for a few minutes. This circulates the new oil. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more oil if necessary. Subscribe to Valvoline channel for more insights on keeping your vehicle road ready and secure.